students, this is day 3 of chapter 5, Language of Chemistry. The specific objective of today's class is types of chemical reaction. Students, in the previous class we have discussed what is a balanced chemical equation and law of conservation of mass with examples. The new terms which we will learn today are combination reaction and decomposition reaction. Now students, we will discuss what are the various types of chemical reaction. Students, chemical reactions are broadly classified into 4 main types. These are combination reaction or synthesis reaction, decomposition reaction, single displacement reaction, and the last is double displacement reaction. Now first we will discuss combination reaction or synthesis reaction. Combination reaction or synthesis reaction is defined as the reaction in which 2 or more reactants combine to form a single product. As A and B, 2 reactants combine to form a single product AB. Let's see the atoms of reactants A and B combine to form a single product AB. Let's discuss some examples of combination reaction. First is when hydrogen and oxygen are ignited. Students, when hydrogen burns in air, it burns with blue flame and pop sound to form water vapors. These water vapors condense and fall down as droplets of water. The equation is hydrogen H2 combines with oxygen O2 to form water H2O. Let's see. The atoms of hydrogen combines with the atoms of oxygen to form 2 molecules of water H2O. One more example we will discuss. Hydrogen combines with chlorine to form 2 molecules of hydrogen chloride HCl. Let's see. The atoms of hydrogen and chlorine combines to form hydrogen chloride. Some more examples we will discuss. Iron combines with sulfur to form iron sulfide. Next, sodium combines with chlorine to form sodium chloride. Next, CH4 methane combines with oxygen O2 to form carbon dioxide CO2 plus water H2O. Now students, we will discuss the reaction of metal with oxygen. When metals combine with oxygen to form metal oxide. The examples of these kind of reactions are magnesium combines with oxygen to form magnesium oxide. Let's see. Some other examples are zinc combines with oxygen to form zinc oxide. Iron combines with oxygen to form iron oxide Fe2O3. Mercury combines with oxygen to form mercuric oxide. Next, aluminium combines with oxygen to form aluminium oxide Al2O3. Copper combines with oxygen to form copper oxide. And the last is calcium combines with oxygen to form calcium oxide. Next, reaction of non-metal with oxygen. The first example is when coal is burnt. Students, when coal is burnt, it catches fire and a chemical reaction takes place. It burns in air to form colorless, odorless gas carbon dioxide. The chemical equation is coal is a form of carbon. So carbon combines with oxygen to form carbon dioxide, CO2. It means when a non-metal burns in oxygen, a non-metal oxide forms as a product. Some other examples are phosphorus combines with oxygen to form phosphorus pentaoxide. Sulfur combines with oxygen to form sulfur dioxide, SO2. Next, nitrogen combines with oxygen to form nitrogen dioxide, NO2. Now we will discuss reaction of metal oxide with water. Students, metal oxide combines with water to form metal hydroxide. For example, calcium oxide combines with water to form calcium hydroxide. Zinc oxide combines with water to form zinc hydroxide. Next, copper oxide combines with water to form copper hydroxide. Next, sodium oxide combines with water to form sodium hydroxide. And the last is potassium oxide combines with water to form potassium hydroxide. Now, reaction of non-metal with water. Students, non-metal oxide combines with water to form an acid. For example, carbon dioxide combines with water H2O to form carbonic acid, H2CO3. Some more examples. Sulfur trioxide combines with water to form sulfuric acid. Next, sulfur dioxide combines with water to form sulfurous acid, H2SO3. Next, nitrogen dioxide combines with water to form nitric acid and nitrous acid. Now students, I am going to discuss next type of chemical reaction, decomposition reaction. Decomposition reaction is defined as the reaction in which a single reactant decomposes into two or more products. As a single reactant AB decomposes into A and B products. Let's see AB decomposes into A and B. Now we will discuss the examples of decomposition reaction. Calcium carbonate decomposes into calcium oxide plus carbon dioxide. One more example we will discuss. Decomposition of water molecule into hydrogen and oxygen gas due to the passage of an electric current. Students, on heating, orange-red mercuric oxide decomposes to form mercury and oxygen. The mercury vaporizes and forms a silver mirror on the sides of test tube. The chemical equation is mercuric oxide decomposes into mercury plus oxygen, O2. Some more examples we will discuss. Students, metal carbonate decomposes into metal oxide plus carbon dioxide gas. For example, calcium carbonate decomposes into calcium oxide plus carbon dioxide. Zinc carbonate decomposes into zinc oxide plus carbon dioxide. Next, copper carbonate decomposes into copper oxide plus carbon dioxide gas. And the last is lead carbonate decomposes into lead oxide plus carbon dioxide. Next, metal sulfide decomposes into metal oxide plus sulfur dioxide gas. For example, calcium sulfide decomposes into calcium oxide plus sulfur dioxide. Zinc sulfide decomposes into zinc oxide plus sulfur dioxide, SO2. Next, copper sulfide decomposes into copper oxide plus SO2. Next, the last is lead sulfide decomposes into lead oxide plus sulfur dioxide gas. Now next, metal nitrate decomposes into metal oxide plus nitrogen dioxide plus oxygen. For example, calcium nitrate decomposes into calcium oxide plus nitrogen dioxide plus oxygen. Zinc nitrate decomposes into zinc oxide plus nitrogen dioxide plus oxygen. Copper nitrate decomposes into copper oxide plus nitrogen dioxide plus oxygen. Lead nitrate decomposes into lead oxide plus nitrogen dioxide plus oxygen. Let's start reading. Open page number 83. Chemical reaction. A chemical reaction is said to take place when the old matter transforms into a new substance or substances. Chemical reactions are broadly classified into four main types: synthesis reaction, decomposition reaction, simple displacement reaction, double decomposition reaction. First, synthesis reaction or combination reaction. When two or more substances combine chemically to form a single product, the reaction is known as synthesis reaction. For example, A and B combines to form AB as a product. Hydrogen combines with oxygen to form water H2O. Next, carbon combines with oxygen to form carbon dioxide CO2. Next, magnesium combines with nitrogen to form magnesium nitride. Next, zinc combines with sulfur to form zinc sulfide. Phosphorus combines with oxygen to form phosphorus pentaoxide. Nitrogen combines with hydrogen to form ammonia NH3. Sulfur dioxide combines with oxygen to form sulfur trioxide. Mercury combines with oxygen to form mercuric oxide. Page number 83. Decomposition reaction. When a bigger compound breaks into two or more simpler substances, the reaction is known as decomposition reaction. For example, water molecule decomposes into hydrogen and oxygen O2 gas. Next, potassium chlorate decomposes into potassium chloride plus oxygen. Copper carbonate decomposes into copper oxide plus carbon dioxide. Next, mercuric oxide decomposes into mercury plus oxygen O2. Next, silver oxide decomposes into silver plus oxygen. Next, red lead decomposes into lead monoxide plus oxygen. Now students, you must be able to complete the following equations and balance them. Thank you.